Today, I'm going to be showing you how you can add your own custom guns to the Roblox FPS template. To begin, open up Roblox Studio, click on Templates, and then click on the FPS system. Once you have it open, you should see a small base plate with a spawn pad, multiple target dummies, and some boxes. We're going to be ignoring those and instead heading over to the Roblox Explorer and clicking on Replicated Storage. Within Replicated Storage, click on Blaster, View Models, and then select which blaster you want to change the model of. I'll be using Blaster. Then drag it into Workspace, go to the Explorer, expand it, and then you should see a second instance of Blaster. Expand that. Then you should see a ton of meshes. Now, this is what we're going to be modifying. You can see body, magazine, and then various different trims. Now, we're going to use body. Now that you have everything in your blaster opened up, go to Home, and then click on Toolbox. Now, you can use mesh parts or models. I'm going to be using models. And then search up a gun you would like to use. I'm going to search up a gun kit, so I have various different choices. This gun mesh kit looks good, so we're going to click on it, and then it should appear in Workspace. Now, as you can see, a ton of different gun models are showing up, and within those, expand the folder, and then find a gun you would like. I'm going to be using a pistol, so a Desert Eagle would be nice. Now, once you have your Desert Eagle selected, just find it within the gun kit, and drag it into Workspace. Now, once you have it in Workspace, you can delete the rest of the gun mesh kits, so it's not as cluttered and easier to work with. Next, drag your gun model, which I'm going to be calling Desert Eagle, into appropriate positioning over your regular previous gun model. Now, just make sure it's positioned somewhat right. It doesn't have to be perfect. Just the most important part is to line up the magazine with the barrel. Once you have it lined up, go over to View, then click Properties if it's not already open. Click on your Desert Eagle. Now within Properties, take that Mesh ID and copy it. Once you have your Mesh ID copied, go to the body of your previous blaster and scroll down to Mesh ID again. Now, delete the previous Mesh ID and paste in your new one. It might expand and lose all texture, but that's perfectly fine. Use the Desert Eagle we already have positioned and copy the size and orientation properties. Then go back into body, then go to size and paste in the values of your other Desert Eagle. Now it should pretty much fit, and then with some minor positional changes, that's a huge improvement. Now, as you can see, our gun is still missing its texture, so let's go back to the other model, go to Properties, then look for the Texture ID. Now, once you have that, copy it, go back to Body, and then paste it into the body's Texture ID. Now, as you can see, there's still some minor issues with color correction. However, once we delete these SAEC trims, then the texture works fine. You'll still notice that there's these colored outlines of the previous gun surrounding our regular Desert Eagle. So we're just gonna select all of those and set the transparency to 1. Now we can delete the other Desert Eagle model. Rename our new gun model into something like Desert Eagle. You do not have to rename the blaster. And then drag it back into View Models under Replicated Storage, and it should disappear again. Now, once you hit play, you should have a fully changed gun model. For more details, such as how to change the muzzle flash or the shoot speed, please be sure to check out my other videos or subscribe for future videos I will be publishing. I'm currently working on an FPS game, and it will be released within the next couple of months, hopefully. So please stay caught up with the channel, and I'll see you next time.